Hello guys, welcome to my channel Algorithm Avenue. In this video, I'll be introducing you to an website that is TensorFlow Playground. This website helps you work on different datasets. That is either in classification or in regression. You can work on different types of datasets. Okay, you have 4 different types of datasets over here, and what you can do is you can pass these problem statements, these datasets, into your custom neural networks. Okay, here you build your custom neural networks and observe the outputs. Okay, observe the outputs of each node. Observe the outputs of each node. Okay, let's say you take this data set. Okay, now let us increase the hidden layer. In this way, by clicking on plus, you can increase the number of hidden layers. In this number of hidden layers, you can also add number of hidden units. Okay, if it is more complex problem, then build a deeper neural network and have more number of hidden units in each of the hidden layer. Okay, as it is a simple problem statement. Okay, in this problem statement, what we have an two group of data points. That is, in the first group we have blue data points, and in the second group we have orange data points surrounding the blue data points. Our aim is to classify these two data points, okay, these two data points, by building a custom neural network. Okay, let's say this is our neural network. Now after building the neural network, you click on run. Yes, you see that around 25 epochs your data has been correctly classified. In this way, you can choose your data set, build a custom neural network, choose your learning rate, okay, choose your activation function, and choose number of hidden units you want. Observe the each hidden units output. Okay, this is the first hidden layer hidden unit output. The first hidden layer, second hidden unit output. In this way, you can visually observe the each node's output. Okay, you can visually observe the each node's output, and you can able to understand how data is being actually classified, how the deep learning models are actually able to classify your data points. Okay, in this way, this website helps you understand visually on how our neural networks actually work. Okay, but when you write codes to build your custom neural networks, you can't have an idea how your data is being classified, or how each neuron is able to classify the data. You can't have a visual idea, but in this website, it helps you visually understand how your data is being classified. Okay, choose your own types of problem statement, build a custom neural network. Okay, train on different number of hidden layers, train on different number of hidden units, decrease the hidden units. Okay, how your data is being classified, or work totally take it as an one hidden layer. Okay, take it as an one hidden layer, or make it as an perceptron, and test how your data is being classified. Change the activation functions, change the learning rate. Okay, or change your problem statement. Go to regression. In regression, you will be having two problem statements. That is, this is one group of data points, this is other group of data points. Okay, build your own custom neural network, or make it a perceptron, and see how your data is being classified by the perceptron. Change the activation functions. Okay, you can have a visual idea on how your data is being classified by a neural network. Okay, once go through the website and understand how your neural network is working. Okay, build a complex neural network, and see for how many epochs the data is being classified. Now build a simple neural network and observe on how many epochs your data is being classified. In this way, you can have better visual understanding on how your data is being classified for different learning rates. Okay, for different learning rates, for different activation functions. Okay, yes, once check out this website. Okay, make your own neural network, choose your own problem statement, and note down the observations. Okay, uh, okay, thank you guys. This is the entire video on TensorFlow Playground. Once check out the website, it's in description.